Alright guys, welcome back to the Cherokstars Racing Garage. Today we're going to install the Nameless Performance track pipe. Alright, currently we have the Nameless CapEx exhaust, 4-inch mufflers, 4-inch tips. This process to install the Nameless track pipe, this is only good for the 2015 through 2017 years. And what comes in the basically the package is you have your V-band, they give you a hanger, and really the only tools that we should need is a 13 mil for the V-band nut, and that's pretty much it. The whole process to remove this and swap it out should literally just be loosening up that V-band there. The rest of the exhaust should just kind of drop down. All right, so we've got our, I guess, axle back exhaust disconnected. We did use our little hanger bushing tool to help remove. It was super easy. There's just 2 hangers on each side and the V-band. That's it. Let's get the track pipe installed. All right, guys, the track pipe is all installed. Nice V-band clamp here, very easy. And then it's a single exit over to the right side, passenger side. They give you, Nameless gives you 1 hanger. It's a double hanger from the exhaust, and then up to the hanger on the car. And that's it.